Looking for a job abroad but not sure how to apply for one with visa sponsorship on LinkedIn? Don't worry. Today, I'll walk you through a clear, step-by-step process you can follow to boost your chances of landing an international opportunity. Your profile is your first impression. Use a professional photo, a headline that highlights your skills, and a keyword-rich About section. Add achievements instead of just job duties. Include words like open to relocation and visa sponsorship in your summary. Turn on open to work, but make it visible only to recruiters. Click the Jobs tab, search for your role. For example, software engineer or nurse. Use keywords like visa sponsorship or work permit. Save these searches so LinkedIn notifies you about new postings. This keeps opportunities coming directly to your feed. Check the company's LinkedIn page and history. Search if they've previously hired international workers. Use government databases like the H-1B database for the US or the skilled worker list for the UK. If the company has no history of sponsoring, it may be a dead end. Customize your resume for each job using keywords from the job ad. In your cover letter, clearly state, "I am open to relocation and require visa sponsorship." Keep it simple and professional. Employers value clarity. Connect with recruiters and hiring managers. Send a short, polite message. "Hi, I'm applying for role. Could you confirm if this position includes visa sponsorship?" Often, this direct approach gets faster answers. Applying for visa sponsorship jobs on LinkedIn isn't complicated if you know the process. Optimize your profile, filter carefully, research employers, tailor your application, and network strategically. Follow these steps, and you'll be ahead of most applicants.